If you think cancer starts suddenly, you've been misled. Cancer doesn't appear overnight. It develops quietly, slowly, often over years, sometimes decades, long before a diagnosis ever happens. And here's what most people don't realize. Your body is constantly fighting cancer every single day. In fact, research from scientists like Dr. William Li shows that your immune system regularly creates and destroys abnormal cells before they ever become dangerous. Tiny, cancerous changes begin, and your body eliminates them silently. But when that defense system weakens, that's when cancer gets a chance to grow. And what determines whether your body wins that fight or loses it is not luck. It's your daily habits. It's what you eat. It's how your internal environment either supports cancer growth or shuts it down. Today, we're going to explore 12 powerful foods that science has shown can help your body resist, suppress, and even destroy cancer cells at the earliest stages. These are not myths or trends. These are foods backed by research from leading institutions like Harvard Medical School, the National Cancer Institute, and peer-reviewed scientific journals. By the end of this, you'll understand how to build a body where cancer struggles to survive. Let's begin with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. These contain a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to help detoxify carcinogens, reduce inflammation, and activate genes that suppress tumor growth. Some studies even suggest it may target cancer stem cells, the ones responsible for spread and recurrence. But the way you prepare them matters. Lightly steaming these vegetables preserves their cancer-fighting compounds far better than overcooking them. Next are berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These are rich in antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which help protect DNA from damage, reduce oxidative stress, and slow tumor growth. Oxidative damage is one of the major drivers of aging and disease, including cancer, and berries act like a protective shield at the cellular level. Garlic is another powerful addition. It contains sulfur compounds that enhance immune function, reduce inflammation, and support detoxification pathways in the liver. Studies have linked higher garlic intake with a reduced risk of certain cancers, especially those of the digestive system. For maximum benefit, crush garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking to activate its most potent compounds. Green tea is another well-researched option. It is rich in catechins, particularly EGCG, which has been shown to inhibit tumor growth, block the formation of blood vessels that feed tumors, and promote cancer cell death. In regions where green tea consumption is high, certain cancer rates tend to be lower, highlighting its potential protective effects. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice, contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds known. Chronic inflammation plays a key role in cancer development, and curcumin works by turning off inflammatory pathways, slowing cancer cell growth, and enhancing the body's repair mechanisms. Combining turmeric with black pepper improves its absorption significantly. It's important to understand that cancer doesn't just grow because of bad luck. It grows in environments that support it. High sugar levels, chronic inflammation, and poor immune function all create ideal conditions for cancer cells to thrive. That's why leafy greens like spinach and kale are so important. They are rich in folate for DNA repair, chlorophyll for detoxification, and fiber for gut health. Since a large portion of your immune system is linked to your gut, maintaining a healthy gut environment is critical for early detection and elimination of abnormal cells. Tomatoes are another valuable food thanks to lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress, supports cellular repair, and has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers, especially prostate cancer. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes actually increases the availability of lycopene, making them even more beneficial. Nuts, particularly walnuts, provide omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols that reduce inflammation, support brain and heart health, and may even slow tumor growth. Some research suggests walnuts can influence gene expression in cancer cells, highlighting their potential protective role. Extra virgin olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, contains compounds like oleocanthal, which has been shown to destroy cancer cells without harming healthy ones. It also reduces inflammation and protects against oxidative damage, making it a powerful addition to daily meals. Fatty fish, such as salmon, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, improve immune response, and slow cancer progression. Since chronic inflammation fuels cancer growth, omega-3s play a crucial role in reducing that risk. Mushrooms like shiitake and maitake contain beta-glucans, compounds that activate immune cells and enhance the body's ability to detect and destroy abnormal cells. These have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern research is now confirming their benefits. Finally, fiber-rich whole foods such as beans, lentils, whole grains, and vegetables are essential. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar, feeds beneficial gut bacteria, and supports the removal of toxins. Recent research shows that your gut microbiome plays a direct role in how effectively your immune system fights disease, including cancer. When you step back and look at all these foods together, a clear pattern emerges. They reduce inflammation, protect your DNA, strengthen your immune system, and improve metabolic health. Most importantly, they create an internal environment where cancer cells struggle to survive. Because cancer is not just about genetics. It's about the environment inside your body, and that's something you can influence every single day. Experts like Dr. Dean Ornish have shown that lifestyle changes, including diet, can even influence gene expression. That means your daily choices can turn certain genes on or off, including those linked to disease. But there is no single miracle food or instant cure. What truly matters is consistency. It's the combination of these foods, repeated daily over time, that creates powerful, lasting effects. When you begin incorporating even a few of these into your routine, your body starts shifting. Inflammation decreases, energy improves, and cellular repair becomes more efficient. Your body becomes stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to defend itself. Instead of asking what causes cancer, start asking what kind of environment you are creating inside your body, because that question changes everything. Your body is not weak. It is incredibly intelligent and constantly working to protect you. When you give it the right tools, it heals, repairs, and fights back. And the most powerful part is that you are not starting from zero. Your body is already fighting for you. All you have to do is stop working against it and start supporting it. That's where real prevention begins, and that's where real power is.